All right, scholars. So we are going to talk today about Humanities 2. This is your principal, Mr. Gonzalez, and we are going to talk today about Hume 2 and our goals for 2015, 2016, and a Hume 2 reset, which includes some new policies and procedures for this school year. So here we go with Hume 2 reset 2015, 2016. So the goal, of course, is to always improve academic performance and school climate, which means reduce low academic performance, reduce the incidents and disruptions, and reduce lateness to school and to class, which means in order to do these three, I have to increase rigor, I have to increase respect, and I have to increase responsibility. We reduce low academic performance and incidents and disruptions and lateness to school. That's the number one goal. So to do that, I reevaluate the school, I revisit prior plans and ways of doing things, read the data of our school and others, research, and I also visit other schools, and I realistically plan on how to make change happen and how I will measure the change. So if I want to reduce the others, I need to increase rigor, respect, and responsibility. So in revisiting the structure of the school and make sure I can set everyone up for success, my first step is to talk to my leadership team. And here is my leadership team. Well, the Hume 2 leadership team consists of me, the principal, Mr. Gonzalez. I have a DSO, Miss Ariola, AP Ms. Zaski, AP Ms. Starr. I also have a new AP, Ms. Brown, she's from the Sophomore Academy AP, and Mr. Butler. He's not new. Then there is also the school leadership team. Well, this is a team of teachers, counselors, deans. Mr. Bailey didn't give a picture. Ms. Pennington. We also have Ms. Samaru, Coach Schratweiser, Mr. Edward, and Ms. Katzenberg. The other two, of course, that was Mr. Phelps, ELA, and Ms. Mejia, school counselor. That's our school leadership team. Well, the third step is I talk with the network. Well, we're with New Visions for Public Schools. They work with New York City DOE, and they also have their own charter schools, Humanities and Advanced Math and Science. That's the network we work for. And what we decided was to develop some universal classroom procedures with the network. So, with a team of principals, APs, and deans, we came up with 5 universal procedures that embody our core values of rigor, respect, and responsibility. The 5 universal procedures are the expectation of all scholars in a New Visions charter high school, and they are measured and tracked by teachers in every class every day, and results in an average that is a grade for each class or an R grade. Now, let's review these universal procedures. And of course, with that, we're going to review Hume 2's R grades. I'm going to go through the procedures quickly because they're posted in all of your classrooms and you can ask your teachers for more information. So we have 5 procedures, the first one being enter and begin. You can see that for each one, there are scholar expectations, teacher expectations, and a picture that shows you what that looks like. These are posted in all classrooms. The second one is prepare and participate. Once again, you see the expectations and a visual. Be in uniform. That's pretty straightforward. Behave scholarly. Now, this is something that embodies rigor, respect, and responsibility. And above all, we want scholars to respect all spaces, peers, and school personnel. That's before, during, and after school, including online. That also means on field trips, like that picture demonstrates at the top there. Those are scholars on a field trip. you can see that each one results in a grade. This one is part of your respect grade. And of course, end and exit. Scholar expectations, teacher expectations, and what it looks like. So our grades are citizenship grades. They appear on all official documents. Notice progress reports, report cards, and official transcripts, and will be seen by colleges and universities. Citizenship grades are part of our charter and widely becoming a standard in high schools. Our grades are on a 100-point scale, just like academic grades. Our grades are independent of your academic grades. So what that means, your academic work does not affect your R grade, and your R grade does not affect your academic grade. For example, you can make a 90 for ELA academic and a 75 for your R grade. R grades are replacing our Scholar Stamps program. Like Scholar Stamps, R grades will be used to reward scholars for each trimester, and R grades will be used as part of our 3R challenge. Now, the 3R challenge is something you're going to hear more about tomorrow, but the 3R challenge will be the measure to determine the scholars that may or may not take home their Chromebooks. That is a laptop that we will be using this year. Scholars will be graded on the 5 universal procedures in each class and earn R grades for all of their classes. At the end of these 30 days, the R grade averages of 90 and above may take their laptops home. So to sum up, we want to improve our academic performance in the school climate. And we've developed by the school leadership team, R grades will increase rigor, respect, and responsibility. R grades are measured by a scholar's mastery of the 5 universal procedures in every class, every day. R grades have replaced Scholar Stamps, and each trimester averages will be used for celebrations, and R grades will drive the 3R challenge. That's it, folks. Let's reset Hume 2 for 2015-2016. Once again, this was your principal, Mr. Gonzalez. Thank you.